So I checked my previous video. It somehow is stupidly end here. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. But let me tell you what's the step next you do. So the next step you do is you evaluate the integral. Okay, you evaluate this integral right here. Let me call it this one right here. I1. Okay, I'm gonna evaluate I1 right here. Okay, I get this one e to the power negative lambda. Okay, and then I plug it in. I replace I1 with e to the power negative lambda. Same thing, but you know, it make it more simple. It make it more suited to the form. I'm suiting it up. All right, and then the next step is, I'm dressing up e to the power negative lambda, right? I want it to fit in the sum club, or the sum fraternities, sororities. I have to, let loose my hair, or wear a suit or stuff like that. So by wearing a suit for e to the power of negative lambda, I just basically times it to lambda to the power 0 over 0 in factorial, because lambda to the power 0 is 1 and 0 factorial is 1. So basically the same thing, but now suit up, and then I group them together. Okay, I group it into the sum, and then you can convince yourself that this thing right here and this thing right here is the same. You can do it by expanding, just expand the sum and you see immediately. And here, yeah, and that's it. That's the QED we have. The moral story for this problem is, at first you do integration by part, so that you get, that's the first step. The second step is you define fn and fn minus 1 and gn. You have to set up like fn minus 1 is perfect, so that it create a recursive, it create a geometric series, so that later on things cancel out. Okay, you do some recursive analysis, you write it, and then you add them together so that things cancel out. Okay, and then you evaluate the integral, you suit it up, you make it a part of the sum, and that is the QED. That's basically the problem. I'm so sorry that the last thing got cut off. My sincere apologize. I really apologize, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share notes in the description below, so you guys can see for this one. I'm so sorry. You guys have a good day though, or good night on whatever time life you're in. Thank you so much for your attention to my video. Thank you.